Now that we've set up a grade scale, we can start assigning assignments. Now to do that, we can go to the Add Materials button here, or we can also go down here to the Materials button. But we'll start here. Now you can add more than assignments. You can add online tests or quizzes or other files or other resources for the students to use. But we're going to focus on an assignment now. Now assignments can take any form. They could be just a short answer to a question that you've asked and you need to get some feedback from the students. It could be a file that they've had to create and they've uploaded to you to look at. For example, it could be a Word document, a Pages document, although it's advisable with Pages to construct or to export them, I should say, as a PDF. You can also include keynotes and also movie files. Alright, so let's create this assignment. So this assignment is supposed to be about ancient history, so let's create one to do with Tutankhamun. So we might call it Tutankhamun Proposal. In the description you would outline what it is you would like the students to do. Try and be as procedural as possible, I think, in this. You want to enable Dropbox. Now this is not the application called Dropbox, this is an internal Dropbox within Schoology. What that does is that gives a space for the files or for their response to be stored and sent and ready for you to look at. Now the maximum points. Now Schoology is numerically based, even though the students can or not be exposed to the actual numerical results. If you're wanting to just have a pass-fail or a complete-incomplete, it's advisable just to use a mark of 1. So 1, it's completed, 0, it's not completed. If you're wanting to do things at performance bands, you might like to choose 6. Therefore, when you're giving your results, band 1, band 2, band 3, and so on, it's up to band 6. So what I tend to do is do 5 in middle school. So that ranges from not evident through to exceeding expectations. You want to set a due date, so we'll make this one due tomorrow. Now it's important here, what sort of assignment is it? Is it an assessment, classwork, a project, or a quiz? Now the good thing about these is you can create them yourself. So it might be an online project, or it might be a short answer. You get to create that category, and that's a category just for this course. I'm going to say it's just classwork in this case. Now in the previous video we actually created grading options. So now we get to add the grading options. When are we running this? So the period that this assignment is available is the MLC trial semester 1. What scale do we want to use to mark it? Now we actually created one before. We created a complete incomplete. Maybe I need to make a change then. I might go up here and just make this worth 1. So that tells me they only have to have handed it in or not handed it in. The factor is the weighting, how much this assignment is worth. I'm not going to play with that at the moment. Now I create that assignment. And that assignment will then appear in their incoming assignments feed on the right hand side.